Stewie, this debate is make or break.
I've been working on a strong opening. Take control early, get them on your side, and it's easier to keep them there.
Stewie, would you like to begin?
Thank you. My friends, this election is about the future of snack time.
I disagree. This election is about you.
Who is this guy? I love him.
And may I call your attention to my opponent's actions during the attack on the Capitol? Here is Stewie waving to supporters safely behind barricades. And here he is with Josh Hawley, fleeing the riot they helped stoke.
Wow, what a little bitch.
Uh-oh.
Doug, are you okay?
My God, is Doug pooping his pants? What a godsend! We'll call him Poopy Doopy Doug. He'll never shake it.